Okay, for this pen tool template, you want to make sure your layers are visible, and I'm going to get my navigator open to make it easy to zoom in and scroll around. So if you go to the pen tool, make sure you click on this first one. You're going to go up to the top, you're going to make it no fill, and give it a color other than black. So hold shift if you're not seeing your colors. And I'm going to increase the stroke a little bit so that I can see it while I draw. So anything that has straight edges and corners, you just need to click, let go of your click, and go to the next one. It's pretty straightforward. Over here, I'm going to lock my layer, create a new one for each shape. These, again, just have straight lines and corners, so you should be able to do those. When you get to this oval and you see these red lines, those mean you want to click, hold your click, and you're going to drag your handles, which are those little strings with the circle on the end, and then you're going to let go of your click. So again, I'm going to click, holding my click, dragging my handles out to match the ones on this template. And then I am back to the beginning. Okay, if I wanted to fill this, I could click on it with the black arrow and come up here. Again, hold shift and click if you're not getting your swatches, and then I could fill it. So over here, I see layer 2 has the oval. Create a new layer for each shape, just to get in the habit of organizing your layers. It can make it easier in the future when we stack shapes on top of each other. So I'm going to come over, I'm going to turn my fill back off. So here I'm going to hold my click and pull. Then I just need to click once, let go, click, let go, and then click and pull. For the next one, you see that these red handles they stop right about here on each of these. So the first one I'm going to click and pull up, let go of my click, click, hold my click, pull down, click, hold my click, pull up, click, hold my click, and pull down. And if you pulled up by accident, you're going to see that it looks funny, so you can just reverse it. Then I'm going to let go, click. Okay, the next one, so here I'm going to create a new layer. This is just, you're going to be ending your line and making a new one. So I can make that one line, then I just hit escape to end it. So escape to end it. I'm going to go over to the next one. This one's a little more tricky because there's lots of pulls involved and a couple of corners. So you're going to click to start, let go, click, hold your click anytime you see these. Whoop, Command Z to go back one, I accidentally clicked. Over here I'm going to click and pull. And then over here, to get here, you have to make this a corner. So if you hover, you're going to see the little corner right there that appears on your pen. So you want to click that. Then you can come over here, click, hold, pull your handles. Again, you want to make a corner here. You want to make a corner here. Okay, make a new layer. And I'm going to let you try this one on your own. A little clue, these are just going to be separate pieces. Okay? And that's it. Make sure you save as you go and have fun.